Like the cover for the wheel. That's really cool. Wow, all these buttons down here, that's crazy. There's 1,000 buttons. Alright. Alright, the ignition, yep, up here. Okay.
And you still have the key?
I have it. This is crazy. Alright guys, this is our first plane. The key is stuck in the ignition. Not a good situation for this guy. But alright, it's really stuck. I'm actually managed to get it out a little bit, so gotta keep that momentum flowing. That's what we want. Alright. I did not. At first I thought I wasn't gonna get it, but there's the moment of truth. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. This is what you use to pull the plane around, like get it out of the garage?
Yeah, it's too heavy to do it manually.
That thing's powerful, huh?
Powerful enough. You know, you could let it run for very long, but I just have to pull it out.